Jesus, you need to learn this whilst I'm doing my GCSEs. Okay, interesting. Oh, wait, no! How is this given worst difficulty? That was easy peasy. God, American exams are so stupid. So, I've seen a lot of these videos where a foreigner does different tests from another country. For example, I have seen American guys attempting GCSEs. I've seen UK guys attempting Korean exams. I haven't seen anyone attempting American exams. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to be doing an ACT test, and let's see how I find it. So, on this website, which I will link in the description, you can find 14 tests that you can do. So obviously, me being me, I'm going to pick the hardest test. And yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, let's begin. So find the inverse of the equation. 5x minus 4y equals 18. Okay, so that's just making y the subject. So therefore, what we're going to do is we're going to put y on each side. So minus 4y is equal to 18 minus 5x. Then we're going to divide by 4, so 18 minus 5x. Minus 18 plus 5x over 4 is equal to y. And that's not a response. What? What? Huh? Am I being dumb or something? Find the inverse of the equation. I'm not getting humbled already, am I? No. Alright, well, I mean, it's none of the y ones. What about if we make x the subject? Sorry, it's gonna be that one then. There you go. Stupid language. Anyways, alright, if f of x is equal to this cubic and g of x is this, then what is f of g of x? That's all we're gonna do is gonna sub in this into this, and we should get, give me a second. Oh my god, my time's going already, jeez. Alright. That one. Alright, so where does the following equation intercept the x-axis? So that's when y is equal to 0. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the quadratic formula, and we should get... I'm allowed to use a calculator, I believe, in this paper. So I'm going to use my calculator for this one. Okay, so I get x is 1.4 and negative 6.0, making sure that they're in the x-axis. Yep, that one. Is that the only question I've done under 1 minute? Alright, yeah, I think it is. Alright, in the standard coordinate plane, what is the midpoint of the section that goes from 3,5 to 7,9? Okay, let's draw a diagram. Oh, hang on, what am I doing? Just find the average of them. What am I doing? Overcomplicating it. Just find the average, dude. What are you doing? Alright. We have a square sitting with the first quadrant being in one corner touching the origin. If the square is inscribed in the circle, find the equation of the circle. What? What's this wording? I thought GCSE was bad with its wording. Alright, anyways. going to be x minus 1 squared, y minus 1 all squared is equal to 1, surely. Yeah. Alright, given that the equation in slope-intercept form of the tangent, blah 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 blah, find the tangent. Geez, these are the questions you have to answer at 16, 17. Alright. So what we're going to do is we're going to find that gradient there, because we know that the center is at 1, 1. So the gradient is negative 4/3. So we know that, you're wrong! Which of the following could be true given the following inequality? Okay, it's that simple. We're just going to solve it like a linear equation. 2 9s, which is not one of the answers. Why? Hold on. Which of the following could be true? Oh, which one could be a value for x? So smart. It's less than or equal. X is greater than or equal to 2 9ths. So therefore, the only answer is 4 9ths. The length of a piece of rectangular land is more than 2 feet. Is 2 feet more than 3 times its width? If the area of the land is that, then what is the width of that? Okay. So I'm going to draw a rectangle. So I'm going to have 1 as x and
3x plus 2, and the area is 125 square feet. Then I know that 3x squared plus 2x minus 125 is equal to 0, so x is equal to...
Okay, it's I need to learn how to read that one. Yes, that one. The cost of a movie ticket and a candy bar is $5. The cost of 2 tickets and a candy bar is... Oh, okay, so that's just simultaneous equations. So my 2 simultaneous equations are... x plus y is 5 and 2x plus y is 875. And it's asking how much is the candy bar. The candy bar is $1.25. Alright, simplify this. That's really easy. It's going to be k to the 7 and m to the 8. If both m and n are rational, show that... Oh yeah, I remember this question we got asked in our exam actually. 4 to the power of m is the same as 2 to the power of 2m. Actually, I'm just going to put it in terms of k. Screw it. 2 to the power of 2k. And 8 to the power of n is equal to 2 to the power of 3k. So m over n is equal to 2/3. No? Wait, what? 3 over 2, yeah, that's what I meant. Yeah, of course. Using FOIL, what's the expansion of this? Yeah, that's not too bad. So it's going to be... Well, I mean, it's kind of obvious because this is the only one with 3 terms. If log 49 is 2... Jesus, you need to learn this whilst I'm doing my GCSEs. Okay, interesting. America, don't know what... you know... Pattern up. It's obviously going to be 7. What's this in scientific notation, aka standard form? Alright, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Should be to the power of minus 8. No, it isn't. It's to minus 7. Simplify this. Okay, we're just going to multiply both top and bottom by 4i. Nine. This one. I'm just going to say this one if I can't be bothered to read. The length in centimeters of a plastic container is 5 centimeters less than triple its width. Okay, so by width, I'm assuming it means... Oh wait, hold on. So it's obviously going to be 3 minus 5. Simplify the following rational expression. Okay, so we can add those. So 5x minus 5 plus 7x plus 9 is equal to 12x minus plus 4, and so therefore we can factor out 2. So it'll be 6x plus 2 over x squared. You have to learn matrices? I mean, that's not a hard question. It's going to be 14 plus minus 3 is 11. 22 plus 12, 34, 2, and minus 6, that one. But you have to learn matrices at ACT level? You Americans should be smarter than you are, guys. I'm sorry. This vector is equal to this. Okay, so 5a is equal to 14 times 20. So 5a is equal to 14 times 4, 56. 5b is equal to 14 times 12. So b is equal to 33.6. And 56 plus 33.6 is equal to 89.6, or 448 over 5. The price of silver varies directly as the square of the mass. Okay, that's a very silly way of writing it, but okay. So 64.8 is equal to 3.6 squared times k. So k is equal to 5. So therefore 7.5 squared times 5 is equal to $281.25. Choose the... Oh my god. Why? Leave me alone. Alright, anyways, this is not difficult. I'm just procrastinating. Alright, this is the same as 12x cubed y squared p over 4ab times 2ab over 3x cubed y. And so therefore 4ab will cancel out to become 2. The 12 will cancel out to be 3, to be 4. The x cubes will cancel out and the y will just become y. So it should be 4yp over 2, which is equal to 2yp. Just over a minute that took me, jeez. Okay, simplify this. Okay, so we're gonna factorize that. Think of a number that adds up to make 9 and multiplies to make 10. Sorry, minus 1 and 10, excuse me. And so therefore it's going to be x plus 10. Find the degree of the polynomial that. The degree is, if I remember correctly, the highest term. So it's going to be 6.
Really? You think it's 6, do you?
This you can just use your calculator. No, what you would actually do is you would simplify those square roots and then add them up. But I have a calculator, I'm going to use it. It's 20 root 14. What is the ratio root 105 to root 12.5? Okay. Again, I'm going to use my calculator to say root 105 over root 12 over 5. 5 root 7 to 2. Evaluate this does not exist, like, come on. Arrange the following from least to greatest. 5, 6, 7, 8. What does this equal? Well, let's look it up. It's 3 over 10. Jeez, I'm actually 24 minutes in. Okay, I'm doing a lot better than I thought I would, but I'm also doing incredibly badly. Alright, on a 15-minute acre plot, there are 7 acres in which deers live. What percentage of land does this represent? So that's 7 over 15,000 times 100. So 0.46%. Convert this into an improper fraction. That's going to be 2 times 5 plus 2, 12 over 5. See, more questions like that, please. More questions like that. One serving of a party drink is this, this, and this. If a large bowl contains this, how much total drink is available? Okay, so 237 plus another 237, because that means it has to have the same amount of syrup, plus 2/3 times 4/3 times 237 is equal to 874, which is not one of the answers. Oh dear. Uh-oh. I'm just gonna say this one because it's the closest answer to what I got. I'm sorry, guys. Alright, a car averages this per gallon. Currently, gas costs that much per gallon. Oh, we wish. How much gas is required? Would it cost to ride that much? Okay, 3149 divided by 31 times 3.69. Nice. 374.83. Okay, cool. So this one, solve modulus z plus 2 is less than or equal to this. So z plus 2. Plus minus z plus 2 is less than or equal to minus 2. Or minus z minus 2 is greater than or equal to minus 2. And so therefore z is... Huh? Something's wrong, I can feel it. Oh look, a modulus is a negative number. I need to overthink. I'm just gonna say it's this, I'm sorry. I'm kind of half guessing. AB is even. So then AB is even. So then ABC is even. It could be odd or even. It could be odd or even. What is the highest common factor of 72 and 84? I actually know this one off by heart. It's 12. No, it isn't. It's 18. No, it's 12. I doubted myself for a second there. A sliced cake can be equally split among 4, 5, 6 people, with each person receiving the same number of slices. Which of the following represents the best possible number of slices that a cake could have? What? What are you waffling about? I'm just gonna say 120 just for the sake of it, because I have no idea what it's actually asking me to do. Choose the answer which best solves this equation. X is equal to minus 396 over 12 minus 33. X is between 2 and 5. That means that it's going to be one of the modulus questions. God damn, wow. I mean, they're asking me for a lot for a minute, dude. Okay, so it's not that one. It's that one. A student taking the test consists of 6 questions. It's a multiple choice test and each of the questions has 4 answers. Does that sound familiar to you guys? How many ways can the student answer all 6 questions if he does not choose the same for any 2 consecutive questions? Okay, so that one I have to use factorials. I'm going to say it's 100. Is that 3.2 squared or 3 times 2 squared? Uh-oh. Is that 3.2? Okay, I'm going to say it's 3 times 2 squared. So it's 1 squared plus 3 plus minus 3 times 2 squared minus 8.
There are n pennies in a jar. P represents the decimal ratio of the pennies that were dated before 1983. Which of the following equations represents the number of pennies that are dated between
1983 or later? It's just n minus p, isn't it? Or am I being stupid? Oh, right, it's going to be B then. Amy recently opened a new credit card. In her first month, blah 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 blah. Am I being stupid? Oh my god. Oh. I know what I need to do. 500 minus 140, because that's those two, and then times 0.05. Should be 18, and it's not. Oops. Why? It's not gonna be that, is it? Yeah, thought it wasn't that. I don't know, I'm gonna guess 24. What's the probability of picking 3 blacks in a row if they are not replaced? 3 black cards in a row, so it's going to be 50% times 25 over 51 times 24 over 50. 2 in 17. How many points? Yeah, I'm gonna save you the brain cells of listening to me trying to read.
You can't even read!
18 times 7, 126. 126 minus 17 minus 19 minus 13 minus 24 minus 14. 39, divide that by 2, so she needs to score 40 goals. What's the difference between the median and the mode of these grades? So the median is, okay, we need to put these in order, don't we? Okay, so the mode is 73, the median is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 76, so therefore the answer is 3. Alright, what is A union C? Everything in A and everything in C. 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 11 plus 5. 7. Stan wants 3 pieces of itself. Stan wants 3 pieces of itself. Itself.
You can't even read!
So 9 pi... Oh. Over 64 times 3. So it's going to be 27 over 64 square feet. Okay, this website's on its last prayers. What's the angle of this? This will be 110, so 150 plus 110, 260 is 100. An area of a trapezium, if its height is 2x and its small and large bases is that respectively. This is how you work out the area of a trapezium. 1/2 A plus B times the height. So yeah, I forgot to divide by 2 in my commentary, so whoops, there goes my bragging rights. But I get the question right. Do you know how many people in the last day of GCSE asked me, Sammy, how do you work out the area of a trapezium? I'm like, dude, come on. Is it given? I think it's given, but I'm not entirely sure. It isn't. I'm waffling. 2 similar triangles perimeter are in those ratios. If the lengths of the largers are these ones, was the perimeter of the smaller one. So the larger one is 14 plus 18 plus 24. And then we divide that by 7, times it by 2. What? Oh my god, what am I being stupid? I think I'm genuinely just being stupid. Oh, no. You divide it by 5 and then times it by 2. What was the perimeter of an equilateral triangle with area of that? Area is 1/2 AB sine C. So we divide 56.25 root 3 by sine 60. Oh, hang on, my calculator's in radians. Hold on, give me a second. Yeah, 225, alright. So it's going to be 45. Okay, good. Wait, why am I saying good? I'm not teaching someone. An isosceles triangle has base of this and an area of that, so what is the height? The height is going to be 7. Alright, so a ladder is propped against, a 17-foot ladder is propped against a 15-foot wall. So what degree of measurement is between the ladder and the ground? So, oh wait, ladder and the ground. So sine theta is equal to 15 over 7. So cosec theta is 17 over 30. Height of a cone h, the diameter is twice its height. Give its surface. I cannot read. Do that, which is pi h squared. And then the cone part is going to equal 2 pi h times h over 3. Yeah, I think that's correct. And so it should be 5 over 3h, but that's not on there. Why is that not on there? That one then, sure. Find the length of a diagonal of a cube with length side 4 centimeters. I'm assuming it's from length, from if it's a, yeah, okay. So then it's going to be 4 squared plus 4 squared. Oh yeah, so it's going to be 4 root 2 squared. 4 root 2 all squared. Plus 4 root 2, plus 4 squared, and then root that, 4 root 3. A spherical plastic ball has diameter of 4 inches. What is the volume of the ball to the nearest square inch? So that's 4 over 3 times pi times 2 cubed. 32 over 3 pi, which is 34 square inches. You have no idea how much I'm doubting myself here. H equals 30 and A is equal to 12. So cos theta cos theta is equal to 12 over h, so therefore inverse cos theta 12 over 30 is equal to 66.4. Oh, don't make me answer these questions. What is it, 4 minus 10? So then that's root 29. No, it isn't, it's 2 root 229. I knew that, I was just testing you guys. So 5 over root 29, but because it's going that way, it's going to be negative. And, oh, 2 more questions. So a man is setting up a laser, angling it against a flagpole 20 feet high, and the laser is placed 12 feet away from its base. What should the angle of the laser be when it hits the ground? So tan theta opposites 20 over adjacent. That's not one of the answers. Uh-oh. Because I wrote 13 instead of 12. Okay. So yeah, that's one of the answers. And finally, what is the equation of the line that runs perpendicular to that and passes through this? Y equals minus 2x plus 5. The new y is equal to a half x plus c. And at point 27, 7 is equal to 1 plus c. C is equal to 6. So y is equal to a half x plus 6. Okay, cool. Alright, let's quit and see my results. I'm a little nervous. Oh no, shut up. Okay, Alright, well, it looks like I got a bunch of stuff wrong. I scored 88%, which, is good, but, I mean, especially for my level, I should be getting a lot better. Alright, let's take a look at my mistakes. To find the inverse of the equation, right. That question. What a stupidly phrased question. Also, that is just wrong. No, it is not that. Oh, that's what you meant. That's what you mean by the inverse equation. I actually did know that, but I didn't know how to do it here. Wait, what? Hold on, what? No? Oh, yeah, it is, actually. God damn, I'm so bad at maths. Alright, what's this? No. And again, a lot of these questions I'm going to look at in my own time. Alright, hang on. Let's just eat some humble pie and see where I went wrong. Oh, wait, no, it's going to be mine. Oh, well, I'm an idiot. Yeah. No, I'm stupid. No, I know where I went wrong. I didn't put the minus on this gradient. That's what I did. It's okay, guys. Okay, this, yeah, it's because 2 plus 6, isn't it? Yeah. I forgot what the degree meant. It's my fault. That's annoying because I'm a maths tutor and I should be teaching my kids what to do with that, but here's what it is. Absolute values measure the distance from the origin is always positive, thus can never be less than or equal to a negative number. The answer is no solutions. Ratio. Yeah, this question was hard. Alright, let's see how you do that. Student has 4 choices for the first question, but then only 3 choices for the remaining questions, since he does not choose answers of the same one twice. Okay, so it's going to be 4 times 3 times 3 times 3 times... Okay, yeah. Sure, I kind of guessed that. Yay! I got a hard question right. I'm good at maths. How is this given worst difficulty? That was easy peasy. It doesn't matter. I mean, what can I say? They're only easy if you know them. Huh? No? No? Oh, yeah. No, I did know this. I'm telling you I knew this, but I just, like I said, I got messed up with the stupid cosecants. God, American exams are so stupid. Alright, and there we go. Yeah, that's how I did it. Okay, that's going to be the video. These are my questions. Try and beat my score if you can. There are a bunch of tests. By the way, this is not sponsored, obviously. This is just a little bit of fun, because I've never, like I said, I don't know what American tests are like. So I decided to do one, and what are my final conclusions? Definitely harder than GCSE, for sure. But I do believe that they are structured in such a way that there are enough, like, it's more balanced, I'd say, than GCSE, because like GCSE has a lot of really hard questions. Like, there's not a lot of really hard questions, really easy questions. It's kind of, how do I put this? There's like almost one difficulty. The test is either really easy, really difficult, really mid. But these ones that had some really easy peasy questions that even my cat could answer. And there are some questions that not even my professor or a maths guru could answer. But yeah, that's just what it was like. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like. Please like, favorite, share, subscribe, and of course, make sure to view.